Oh, hey, didn't see you there. You know, I bet you came here to hear about kites. Well, let me tell you, kites are pretty amazing. They were made around 700 BC by the Chinese. They were made of wood and used for military purposes at first. But by 1618 AD, that's when kites really got fun. Kites were then made of silk, really expensive. Only the upper class really got to use them. But by the time it hit around 1000 AD, that's when people around the world, well, China, started using kites. By 1700, that's when the entire world was in a kite frenzy. Now, kites aren't just amazing historical inventions. They're also awesome displays of physics. You know that guy Bernoulli? Pretty smart dude. And he had an equation for you. And that equation explained why kites fly. Because kites are designed so that the air above it has to go a lot faster to get by. And the air below it has got to go a lot slower. This creates a low pressure on top and a high pressure on bottom, which creates a lifting force upwards. This lifting force counteracts gravity and makes that kite soar. It's awesome, isn't it? Bet you want a kite now. Just think about it. You can go outside and fly your kite whenever you want. Just all you need is a little wind, some string, and a kite, and you're good to go. So, why haven't you already bought a kite? You know what my dad used to say? There are two kinds of people in this world. Those who like kites, and those who are losers. You know, there's more physics behind kites, too. You see, kites don't always fly at every altitude. So when you're lower to the ground, the air is a little turbulent, because it interacts with other things around the ground, so it gets all messed up. And that causes the kite to not be able to catch the air correctly. And because of that, it can't maintain its altitude. But once you hit a high enough altitude, then that's when it can soar. Because at that altitude, air isn't really interacting with anything anymore. So it stays more linear and nice and straight, so that kite can catch and just go, baby. Just goes. So, now that you know just about everything you need to know about kites, I'm going to get out of here. You go buy yourself a kite, because you're a winner. Stay classy, Whitman.